What's going on, everyone? My name is Rich in Stocks. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to deposit cryptocurrency into AI marketing, or just to use cryptocurrency in general. If you don't know how to deposit crypto, transfer, convert, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy and transfer crypto to AI marketing. So let's get right into it. I'm going to have my phone probably here on the side, this side. I don't know what side it's going to be on, but I'm going to show you on one of my favorite brokerage apps, which is called Newton. I'm actually gonna have a link for this down in my bio. It's a no-fee cryptocurrency trading platform that you can buy and sell any cryptocurrency, and you do not have to pay any commission, which I think is huge, and it'll save you a lot of money over the long term. So right here on the app, you can go to create an account, and you can sign up using your email, password. It might ask you to verify, which is no big deal at all. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in with my email and password. And they have different types of authentication. I have an app here, it's called Authy. So I'll just open this up, approve, and it'll open up my account. Just because I want to keep my crypto safe, obviously. You have two different types. You can use Google Authenticator or this one they have in the app. So right now in my portfolio, I have $1,300 just across Cardano and Stellar. But for this video, I'm going to show you basically, I'm going to do Bitcoin because I would want to transfer Bitcoin from this wallet over to AI marketing. So what you would do is click on the bottom right, this little icon here, and you would want to click add funds, and you would say via Interact e-transfer. You click that and you would request how many funds you'd want. So let's say I wanted to get $100 in here, you would say $100 and send refund request. I don't want to actually put any money into this. This is just exactly what you would do. And it would send this e-transfer request to your email, and then you can send money from your bank to this website right here, which is actually a lot easier, I think, than how other places have it set up with just your card. I honestly prefer the e-transfers. So yeah, we'll stick to that. So let's say, so you just deposited your money in. It might take maybe like 30 minutes maximum. Usually wouldn't take that long, maybe about 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll get your money in. As soon as you see that your money is sitting left here when it says available to trade, you want to scroll down and click on Bitcoin. As soon as you click on Bitcoin, click on the bottom left again, or bottom right, sorry. And then you want to click trade on the left, and you would want to select your amount of funds, which would be $100 Canadian, into Bitcoin. And it would say how much Bitcoin that would be, and you would say review trade and confirm. And then you'll get $100 worth of Bitcoin into your wallet, which will happen instantly. You pay no commission on it, so you'll get $100 of Bitcoin. What you'd want to do is you want to go to withdraw, you want to click crypto to wallet, and you want to select your max amount of Bitcoin that you have. And then in the transfer address section, you want to go over to AI marketing. And I'm going to log into my AI marketing right now. Yeah, so as soon as now I'm in my AI marketing, I'm going to click on the left here and scroll down to the top up section. Once I click that, I'll click select method, click Bitcoin. And I would say I want, if you had $100, maybe go a little bit less just because fees and everything. So I'd say about maybe $90. You click pay. Once you click pay, it'll load and it'll bring up this screen right here. So you'd want to copy this amount of Bitcoin, and you'd want to send that amount of Bitcoin. So make sure you have enough Bitcoin before you send it. So you'd want to paste this amount in here. So right, you'd go paste, I want to send that much Bitcoin. You want to send the exact amount that AI marketing says you should send. Then you'd go back here, click copy the wallet address, click it a few times to make sure it copies. Then you'd click the transfer address, you'd paste this address in there. Double check that the address is correct. So I'd go back and forth and double check the first and last digits. Yes, they match. Make sure they match. Trust me, make sure they match. Then you go back on to your Newton wallet, you click review withdraw and confirm withdraw. Then maybe after 10 or so minutes, usually it can take a little while because there's a lot of confirmations that go on in the background. But as soon as you see it, it'll say amount received, and it'll say the amount of Bitcoin that you sent to this wallet. It'll go into this right here, and it'll pop up right in your ads balance. Then it'll be available to use for ads so you can gain passive income. If anything was confusing about any part of this video, you can leave any comment down below and I will help you out as best as I can. This is usually a very easy and simple process, but if you've never transferred Bitcoin or anything before, it can be a little confusing. But I've done it lots, so it becomes very, very easy for me to be able to understand what I'm doing. But that is probably the easiest way to get money from a crypto wallet to another wallet. Not just AI marketing, but any wallet in general. you can send crypto from one wallet to another wallet to another wallet, anywhere you need. It's just that simple. Just copy the amount that you want to send and then the address that you're sending it to, and that's all you need. Some apps will ask you for more verification just to make sure you are actually the one sending the cryptocurrency. But as soon as you send it, yeah, all you really have to do is wait for the money to show up and it'll be ready for you to use. So yeah, so just a short little video on exactly how you can actually transfer money from your cryptocurrency wallet into AI marketing. I'm going to keep making more short TikToks about exactly how much money you can make and how the compounding of this works. So if you want to check out some of my TikTok videos, go check the link in my bio. That'll be for TikTok, and I'll also have a link for AI marketing to get started. And if you want to learn how to actually make an AI marketing account, the last video I just made, I'm gonna have a link to it at the end of this video, is gonna show you exactly how to set up a bot for AI marketing, and you don't even have to put any money into this. This is just for those people who want to put more money into this because they want to see bigger returns and more profit. So hope this helped you guys. Have a great day. Happy investing.